In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Google Sheets data to Airtable. To begin, open the Google Sheet that contains the data you want to bring into Airtable. In this example, it is a copy of a payroll template spreadsheet, but the same process works for any Google Sheet. Before you move on, take a moment to confirm that your spreadsheet is organized the way you want it imported. Clear column headers in the first row will make your fields in Airtable much easier to understand. Also, make sure the data is finalized, because Airtable will import what is currently in the sheet. Next, switch over to Airtable in your browser. Go to the workspace and base where you want this data to live. Or get to the spot where Airtable gives you the option to bring in outside data. Look for the Import option and click Import to start the process. Airtable will then show you different import sources. Choose Google Sheets. This tells Airtable that you want to pull data directly from a spreadsheet stored in Google Drive. After selecting Google Sheets, you will be prompted to select a Google Sheets account. Click the option to select your Google Sheets account. This is where you connect Airtable to the correct Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you want. If you have more than one account available, choose the one that contains your file. In this case, select the second Google Sheets account shown in the list. Once you select the account, a Google Drive file picker will open. Locate the spreadsheet you opened earlier. Then click on that spreadsheet to highlight it. Take your time here to make sure you are choosing the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions or similarly named sheets in your drive. With the right spreadsheet selected, click Select. This confirms the file choice and returns you to Airtable, so it can prepare the import. Finally, click Import. Airtable will pull in the spreadsheet data and create records based on your rows, with fields based on your column headers. After the import finishes, scan the table briefly to confirm everything landed in the correct columns and that the data looks complete. And that is all there is to it.